haven't made a video lately. I've been kind of preoccupied, like always, but I know this is my first one in a while. But I'm headed to the vape store, and then I'm headed to Mobile. And I'm gonna probably have to get gas too, but I'm going out there to meet somebody pretty special. I want to hear it. We've been talking for a little while, and he's a very sweet guy. Anyway, I'm going shopping. We're going shopping. Anyway, so I'll be pausing. You know, it's raining, it's nasty, and it's supposed to get really nasty out. Really nasty out. We're supposed to get ice and snow. Yeah, southern Alabama, what the hell? That's crazy. It's just crazy. I'm not looking forward to it at all. I might even have to call in if it gets too bad, because I don't live like right down the street from work, so like I just left my house and I haven't even got a few minutes down the road yet. Whoa. I had to give T-Bone another bath and put flea medicine on him tomorrow when he's completely dry. He still has fleas. I don't know where they're coming from. I'm thinking out of the yard from the dogs nearby. Maybe the cats. I don't know, but he hardly ever, like, he doesn't go roam in the yard or anything, so I don't get, like, why he keeps getting them. Unless I'm not, maybe I need to buy some regular flea medicine, like bathe him in Blue Dawn dish soap.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right on Foley Beach Express.
So maybe I need, when I'm out shopping, I need to get some regular flea medicine. Is a friend of mine, and we go out there and hang out, go shopping and whatever, and I don't know how long I'll be gone for. Goodness.
Turn right on Foley Beach Express.
Should have stopped there and got gas. I'll just get gas up in town.
In 5 miles, turn right on Alabama 59.
I'm going to be pausing this video periodically, and I'll show y'all when, like, I'm going across the Bayway, because that'll be pretty cool, and I'll just give you, like, highlights of my trip. But I'll show you going across the Mobile Bayway and going through the tunnel. That'll be fun. And then when I get to the area, meeting him at Whataburger and picking him up there, his truck is broke down. It's like seriously broke down. My throat's tore up. There's a lot of people sick right now. And that ice over caution. Anyway, so I'm going to pause this and I'll have to me some coffee, and I'm at Buc-ee's. I need to get coffee and I need to get gas. There's a lot of daggone traffic. Jeez. Goodness. Okay, I just got gas at Buc-ee's and I'm fixing to get on the interstate. Oh my gosh, this place is so busy, it's ridiculous. Going, dude. People from daggone Wisconsin. Probably going to try to call me again. And I'm trying to film and trying to drive.
In 1 mile, turn left on County Route 71.
No,
turn right on Campbell Road.
No, I need to get on the interstate. No. This was like a 1-lane road. Wasn't nothing out here. It was ridiculous compared to what it is now. Buc-ee's wasn't there. Now I have a complete full tank of gas. Yay.
Continue on I-10.
No crap. I hate driving distances. I really do. I haven't driven that much, except for to and from work and to the store and back and stuff, since I got back to Alabama. So I'm going to pause this and I'll bring y'all back when I'm crossing the Bayway in a few minutes. It won't take you that long. I should have left way earlier. Way earlier. Next brakes, watch. Okay, it is now and like an hour later. We officially have real snow, y'all. I can't believe this. It was blowing real hard. The birds are freaking out. Like, what the heck, man? What's going on? The birds are confused. Wow. The dogs are confused. The birds are confused. The people are confused. This is the South, y'all. This is southern Alabama. I'm like minutes from the Gulf of Mexico. Like, what? So this time I'm staying inside, but look at this, y'all. That's the pond across the street from me. It is definitely snowing. This is probably the first time this car's ever seen snow. Oh my gosh, what the heck, man? Roads are closed. Even though you don't see snow on the road here because it's warm enough to where it's not sticking on the road yet. Just in spots, as you can see. But it's sticking to my car, it's sticking to the bushes and the grass. To the deck. Wow. So it is now like 12:20 p.m. We're getting there. Yeah, I would not have gone to work today if they had said I had to. No, no boo. Would not have happened. Not that I can't drive in it, but others can't. And I didn't want to get to work and get stuck either and not be able to get out of the parking lot or wind up possibly getting in an accident on my way home. So, yeah. And I don't know what tomorrow's going to look like. I might wind up not going in tomorrow. So we'll see. Now the road's covered. It wasn't covered before. Full on snow, full on blizzard. This is crazy. Crazy, let me tell you. Okay, yeah, we have several inches now. The road's covered. Look, I had to rig up the baby gate till I can go get some pieces of wood to screw in the sides. That's to keep T-Bone from running out and other dogs from coming up here. Anyways, we have a winter wonderland. Full on blizzard. Southern Alabama, yeah. I think it followed me from Missouri, y'all. I think it did. Look, that plant said, I'm going to sleep till spring. Wake me up when it's warm out. That poor thing. Wow. Oh no, it's blowing the other way. There it goes. You hear it crunching under my feet? Wow. Whoa. This is just on the deck, the edge. I don't know how many inches we already have yet. There's some pretty big flakes. Woo! Right in my face. Okay, I'm getting cold. You have the Gulf moisture and then snow, yeah. Bones. I still gotta take these totes to the shed. You barking at the snow, you don't like it? Say, I don't like it. It's just crazy. Say, I don't like it. Come on. Come here. Y'all. What the heck? Look how many inches that is on the railing. Look. This is some Armageddon crap right here. This is some Teotihuacan. This is the end of the world as we know it. Oh my gosh. It's still coming down, look. I mean, it's beautiful, but my tail, look. My tail ain't going out there. No, no, no. I ain't going nowhere. Bruh. Bruh, this is some crazy shit. Supposedly we have like 6 inches right now. Wow. Now, 5:35 p.m. on Tuesday still. Yeah. Somebody was out walking their dog. So we don't have blizzard-like conditions anymore, but you can see it's still snowing. Yeah. I'm not going anywhere tomorrow. I'm not going to work. Look at the car. Holy crap. Yeah, we have like, I'd say 6 inches or more total. This is just the railing. I don't know if you can tell by my tires. And then look at that. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. I don't know, I might show some more. No, I'll wait, because I don't know how much more we're gonna get. So I'll wait till in the morning and then I'll finish it and see what we really got, and see if I can get down this ramp without busting my tail. I might have to get the broom out and sweep it off, because I really want to go down there and measure and see and show the end result. You can barely see the plan anymore. Wow. I just wanted to show you all the progression. Oh, but it's beautiful, but I don't want it here.